Eso no se hace lo que ha hecho. Me ha asustado.
Diving monkeys.
While rafting in Florida, these tourists never expected to cross paths with a monkey invasion.
Oh my God. No.
No matter how big they are still cats. Astray until a kind-hearted surfer took her in. At home, he noticed how excitedly she bounced around on old boards, and he knew it was meant to be. Now Faith isn't just a dog. She's a 10-time surfing champion and a true wave-riding star. At the base of Mount Fuji, there's a safari park where elephants show off their swimming skills. And they're really impressive.
Oh, they're creating the waves, aren't they?
They're making it, yeah.
Yeah, otherwise they'd be pretty calm.
What's up, girl? Yay!